In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a super interesting camera that has just popped onto the market called the Qoocam EGO, which is the world's first viewer-integrated 3D camera. Cue cinematic sequence in 3, 2, 1, boom. So are 3D action cameras the future? That's what I'm going to be answering in this video. First off, how does 3D work and how do people shoot in 3D? How movies do it is they take these massive rigs where they take two giant cameras and put them side by side. You get two separate videos from two different angles, and then when they're editing, they stitch them together to create a 3D movie. And then the viewer just has to grab 3D glasses or a 3D headset and you can view it. So basically what the Qoocam does is just take that and put it in a really small streamlined package. So you can see here, here's one of the lenses and here is the other. When Qoocam first reached out to me about this project, I was actually super interested in testing out the camera because for the past, I don't know, 10 years or so, action cameras have kind of stayed the same. 360 cameras were a huge jump, so I was curious to try it and test out and just see if 3D is gonna be the next thing. I wasn't quite sure what to expect because I had zero 3D experience before, but it was actually super user-friendly. The camera feels about the same weight as a GoPro. It's a little narrower and a little bit longer, so it's like as if you took a GoPro and just stepped on it and it just went. That's about the size. Qoocam, you should definitely use that on your website. And as you can see, the two lenses are pretty much eyes width apart, so it's a very natural looking 3D. So the camera is basically two parts. This is the actual camera, and then it also comes with this headset, and you can clip this headset on super easily, unless you do it the wrong way. It helps you with magnets know that it's the right way. So you clip this on, and this is basically what you view the 3D with. So you kind of go like this. You can view the 3D while you're shooting, so you can kind of shoot like this, like one of those old school camcorders, or you can take the shot just with the camera, and then later on you can put this and then review the shots directly on the camera, which is actually super cool. One of the biggest challenges with this video was actually allowing you guys to see 3D, because I would have to basically export this entire video in 3D, which would look super weird for these parts. And then on top of that, you'd also need glasses or a headset.
Check it out. It's like it's coming right at me.
But if you are someone who has some retro 3D glasses, I actually exported a 3D video and made it as an unlisted YouTube link and put that down in the description. So if you want to go check that out after this video, you can put your headset on and see 3D videos directly from this camera. Video-wise, the camera shoots at 4K 60, so 1080p on either side. The focal length is about 28 millimeters and the aperture is f1.8. And the shooting process is pretty similar to any other action camera. I've just found that the best usage of 3D is having subjects close to the camera and then going far away or vice versa. The stabilization isn't great on this camera, so as you can see, I used a DJI Osmo to kind of stabilize it for most of the shots, but you can just use it handheld. Although they did release a firmware update after I shot this video that improved the stabilization a lot, so I do expect that to get better and better in the future. There's not a ton of videos out there on the internet on how to post-process 3D, so I want to touch on that real quick just so you guys have a good idea of how to do it if you do get this camera. So I'm just gonna slither on over to my desk and show you the process. Okay, so basically post-processing is super simple. All you have to do is go to Canva.com, which is the company that makes the Qoocam, and download the proper software, which is just a YouTube metadata injector. I have Mac, so I would just hit download. And when you download it, you're basically going to get this into your downloads. So you just open that up, open YouTube metadata, and then just drag your footage right here. I already have a clip in here right now, but you just drag your footage right there. And then all you have to do is just hit run command. Terminal will run its entire process. I've already done this for this clip, but after that, you just go into your output folder and you'll get a little traffic cone. Once you hit the traffic cone, all you have to do is come to YouTube, hit upload, and then drag that file into this little upload panel. This is an example of the video that I've already uploaded. So if we go to that link, boom. There you go, and you can see if you have the red and blue 3D glasses, you would be able to view this in 3D. Like I said, a video like this is gonna be in the description down below if you wanna check it out. So overall, it was super freaking fun to test this thing out and just kind of see what the future holds for 3D. Right when you take it out of the box, you can turn it on and view the world in 3D. But for some reason, you're kind of used to seeing things in 3D, so seeing it in the viewfinder actually feels like more immersive in a way, weirdly. But it's really fun and it's cool to show people too, like when you get a shot of them and they can check it out in 3D, it's super dope. It just brings this incredible depth to your videos that you can't get anywhere else. And we're really at the forefront of 3D. Not everyone right now has a headset in their home, but especially with the metaverse and Zuckerberg trying to push that so much, I think in the future, everyone's gonna have a headset in their home, and it's just gonna be super easy and accessible for everyone to watch 3D. So if you wanna snag one and hop into the ground floor of the world of 3D action cameras, link is down below. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have 3D goggles, go check out the unlisted link that's down below. But that's it for this video. If you wanna see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. But that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh shit. Hey. Dude, I'm influencer handing.
No, I'm influencer handing.
No, I'm
Get out of here.
I'm influencer handing.
Get out of here.